Hi, my name is Tim and I'm a tech support engineer with Atlona. Did you know that Atlona offers on-site deployment and commissioning services for complex AV over IP or control projects? While OmniStream and Velocity solutions are very easy to deploy and extremely reliable, Atlona Professional Services takes the stress out of your next IP-based project. New to the IP-based project, Atlona has your back. We'll assign a dedicated engineer to your project, create a customized system planner, orchestrate meetings between you, the IT department, and the end users to cover all system expectations and functions, and even train the team on the system in the process. Atlona Professional Services is very cost efficient and will save you time and money in the long run. Our certified team is experienced in multiple field deployments. That's a great peace of mind for you, and it's easy to arrange too. To ensure your OmniStream or Velocity project is optimized to meet your client's expectations, head over to the link on the screen or contact your Atlona rep today.